This is not just an ordinary flood disaster, but a terrible disaster worse than a tsunami. This flood has caused tremendous damage, including mudslides, flash floods, and trees and logs coming down for the mountains. Hi, I'm Edwart Hutahaean, still studying at Malikussaleh University, majoring in accounting at the Faculty of Economic and Bisnis. This flood may seem like an ordinary flood and be considered trivial and not terrifying, but now you can all see that many have lost everything else. Everything here, from family members to food supplies, homes, and everything else. You can see all. It happened because of the imbalance in the natural ecosystem. Trees that were cut down excessively, trees whose roots were able to absorb water when it rained, to be replaced with palm oil trees for the benefit of the one party. This caused the devastation of the surrounding environment when it rains. The trees can no longer absorb water, causing the soil to be washed away by the rain, leading to a rise in water levels in residential areas and the occurrence of flash flood. The impact is that many homes are lost or damaged due to the strong floodwaters that hit the foundation of this home. Economy is completely paralyzed, leading to mass starvation and limited food supplies. Therefore, let us begin to protect our surrounding environment starting now.
Esok nanti kau sudah lebih baik. Jangan lupakan masa-masa sulit.